Hi, my name's Mike. I'm from the Handmade Craft House, and today we're going to start taking down this section of the hedge, clear it off. To do that, I'm just going to be using a pair of loppers and my D-saw. I don't know how much of this I'm going to get done with these. They're already bent and struggling, but we'll use them for now. Doesn't take long, does it, before you have an impact and you can start to see the difference that it makes. Reducing some of these down in size so I can actually fit them in the van and perhaps fit a few more in. If I just put big branches in, it soon fills the back of my vehicle up. If I cut them down to size, I can get more in, get rid of more in one trip, just save on trips. It's a bit more done. As you can see, this is really opening up and letting a lot more light into this garden. There's a lot more to be done. This is the first part. I'll show you a bit more later. Cutting the hedge down is one thing, removing the hedge down is one thing. In the same way, it's quite a scary thing really in a way, because this hedge is very thick, very private. Taking it down like this, it's opening it up completely. But down the road in the future we will have another hedge. Look at this, we're just about set to start going around the corner, and that'll be the first stump, first part of the hedge cleared off. Once I get this bit cut, that's one down. There must be about 10 of these along here, but that'll be one. It's quite a moment really. Round the corner, outside the hedge, starting to go down the lane. All change. I'm cutting off, well, we're going around the corner now. We'll be going down there next. Right, I think that might do for today. It is warm again.